What is up, guys? I'm back with another video, and today we're making slime. Yep, and that's not mine, but that's my little brother's slime. I already made that, but we're gonna be making slime with clear glue. So yeah, can we get 35 thumbs up and shout outs to Auto's World, Cortex Kenshin. Definitely him. Go watch his videos. He's there for me when I'm down. He's everything pretty much to me. So check his video out. Check his videos out. He's really popular. So just saying, guys, just shout out to him. So let's jump right into this video. So for this slime, what you're going to need, okay? What you're going to need for this slime. All right. Is it slipping? Yes, it is. So awesome. Okay. So for this slime, it is gonna be yellow slime. No, it's gonna be clear slime. Just clear all the way slime. So what you're going to need is some clear glue, clear Elmer's glue. Sorry, I got so close to the camera, like boom. But you're gonna need clear Elmer's glue, and you just pour this in. Let me just get this one because it has a little extra. This one has the extra, right? Okay, yeah. I think that's all of it. So I'm gonna use the big bottle. I don't know if you guys can hear it. Like the sound that it makes is really weird. Look, it makes like a farting noise. It's really gross. I'm pretty sure you guys heard that. There's no way you didn't.
What color are you at?
Yellow. So, after you do that, after you make it like that, after you pour in all of your slime, actually, you guys, maybe instead of having the clear slime that I thought I was gonna have, maybe we should do a yellow slime. That'd be probably better. We should do a yellow slime. Oh, this is my other little brother's yellow slime. Seriously? Can I see the rest? Hello. That's Noah. So this is his slime. It's just like the other green slime, makes a noise and everything. So
You made it first.
yeah, I did. So it's just like the other one. It's just this one blue. That's all. So I'm just gonna
You made it blue
there.
then.
Okay. So now back to the video. Don't. Thank you very much. We're gonna do 2, 3, 4 drops. Make sure you don't add too much food dye, because if you add too much food dye, your mixture is gonna be very bad. So I wouldn't do that in front of you guys. Just saying.
Make sure to drink it with milk.
Like smooth crack. Now, a lot. But yeah, I'm gonna make a yellow slime. So it's gonna kind of look like honey. Now that I think about it, it's gonna look a lot like honey, but with some green in it, which is super nasty. It's like spoiled and everything. Okay, so now that you have your your stuff here, you're just gonna get everything here. Oh no! Oh no! So you make sure you have borax and water, and that'll make your activator. So once you have your activator, get a little bit at a time, and don't pour in too much at a time, because if you do, your slime's not going to turn out good. So just make sure you do that, which I always do first when I make slime, which I've made like three times. This is my third time, so it's a little weird. So you mix up everything. Okay. Darn. For me, it takes super long because, as you can see, you think this is muscle? No, these are noodles. 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 But I'm still trying, so don't judge.
Yeah.
So I'm just gonna mix everything here and just see what happens. I don't need the food dye anymore. Put this up here. Put this up here. Put this up here. Okay. Just saying, you guys should have something just in case you screw it up. You should have something on the bottom, like right underneath your slime, your bowl. Because if you don't, your slime's gonna get screwed up, and so is the table or whatever surface you're doing it on, the floor, whatever. Could be anything, really. It's really cool. So
Make sure
you
to
get more of your
down
activator.
on your carpet, or it's gonna stick to it.
That too, yeah. Make sure you don't have it on a carpet because that'll stick to it immediately. Unless you have like really good slime.
Like one that doesn't stick.
Ever.
Never ever.
Alright, man, this is really hard to make. Oh my gosh. I've got like everything sticking to me now. Just gonna mix it.
Is this not a YouTube video?
Nah, of course it is.
Hey guys, what is your YouTube videos about?
Darn.
What is your YouTube videos about?
Could be anything.
You look like white it.
Okay, wait. Okay. So I added more of my activator. So when you start seeing it stick to the sides and become something very, very gooey, but not too gooey, like to the point where you can put your whole hand in it and not have it stick, that's when you can start kneading it with your hands, which is just playing with it very, very fast. That's how kneading is. So you do this. That's all your slime. Just poke it real quick before anything. That is very, very, very sticky. It feels like maple syrup. So I'm just gonna get more of it for my activator.
You know what that stuff about that? You're actually making it a little bit stickier.
So yeah. So you mix everything up. Oh, okay. Wow. Hold up. This is weird.
He's making it much more stickier than he was before.
No, not. Don't listen to him.
You put like a little bit more stuff, so.
Dang it. Okay, wait. Try with pinky, I guess. Dang it, man. This is still super sticky. Let's try a little bit more. I'll put like 2 more. So it might be a little bit too hard.
Nevin, you know what the. You know what
Oh,
yo?
good. Oh, this is perfect.
What?
Just gonna mix it like this.
Oh, you know what the
Look at
yo
this.
reminds me of?
Butter.
Nope. I'm a banana. I'm a banana. I'm a banana. Where we at? Where we at? Where we at? Where we at? Where we go?
Okay.
Yeah. We got
We smoke. Nevin, make sure to drink and we smoke.
Okay, so
what?
that is.
You must drink and we smoke. Makes you strong. Especially the Holy Grail we smoke.
So
It makes
now,
you be able to fly. Bye.
once you do that,
I will buy. I will fly
do
away.
this. You just take it out with your hands and just start eating it.
Yes, I can have my blue smoke. I can have my blue smoke.
Okay. So, I'm still trying to knead this. Oh my gosh. This is turning out bad. Oh crap. This is not turning out too good. Oh wait, actually. Hold up, wait.
Yeah?
This is turning out sort of.
Where's my candy?
Uh-oh. Oh yes.
Where's my candy?
Wow.
My candy was
This
right here.
really good.
My candy was right here. What?
Hey, that's Noah's. That's Noah's. Go ahead, forget it.
Someone get. I don't care. Please make sure.
So now, I'm just gonna do this. Mix this. Boom, 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 boom. This is very sticky. It's very, very sticky. Look at that. That's very sticky. And then this one's just clean. Okay. Just trying to do this. It's like not working. Okay, so at this point, when it's kind of not sticking to your hands, if it's like mine, yeah, if you make your slime look like mine, where it's sort of sticking to your hand but not much, just add a bit more of your activator. But make sure you're doing it over your bowl or a towel or something. Just no. Okay. This So this is actually turning out super good now. It was turning out very bad, but I fixed it. So, it's in my fingernails. Okay. So now your slime should be like this, something like this, to the point where it's not gonna stick to your hands up. Perfect. Okay. Look, I'm gonna leave it there for a couple minutes, just seconds. Perfect. So yeah, that's all for today, guys. So I hope you make good slime like that. Some sort of slime like that. So that's all for today. And give this video like to 35 likes and shout out to Corey Kitchen. Bye.